I am going to tell you about PrismaSeT Active in 60 seconds. The PrismaSeT Active low-voltage switchboard is designed to maximize power availability and provide peace of mind with simple connectivity. Having the right information at the right time is essential for optimizing the uptime of your installation. It comes with an integrated gateway at no extra cost. By default, this gateway gives you local and remote visibility of your switchboard voltage status, which you can monitor directly on your smartphone. Thanks to wireless technology, it's extremely easy and cost-effective to add fire prevention and energy metering sensors. This helps maintenance teams to anticipate issues and respond quickly. All that makes PrismaSeT Active key to ensuring uptime for your installation and for keeping your business running smoothly. And that's PrismaSeT Active in 60 seconds.